How to add white border to image in Canva. Hello guys, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add white border to image like this. So for this, let's go to the Canva website. Here I am in the home page of the Canva, and let's select anything from this. So I'll go for this YouTube thumbnail. Then go to the photos here and choose the photo in which you want to add white border. So let's write anything. I'll choose this photo. So first of all, let's select background color. Then I select this. Or you can also upload your own image. Just go to the uploads, upload your photo, select it and upload your photo here. Now I am going to remove the background from this photo. For that, go to the edit image option, then choose the background remover. But the thing is, this feature is only for the pro user. If you have a free version, then we have also created video on it. You can also check out that video by visiting the link in the description. You can also erase and restore some part of the photo if you want, but I don't want to erase anything, so just go back and our background is perfectly removed. Now for the white outline, go to the edit image again, then scroll down and here you can see the option of shadow. From this, select this glow effect. Again click on this and you click on again, you can see the option of size, transparency and blur. First of all, choose the color of your outline. I'll choose white. Then increase the size and increase the transparency to 100 and decrease the blur to 0. And it's perfectly added to our photo. So guys, by this way you can add border to any image. You can download from here. Just go to the share button and download from here. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content like this.